So this is an update from the previous video where we identified two counts, pink and purple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in pink, and then we could be coming for a broad correction or a deep correction. And then in purple we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then this 5 wave, this fifth wave could be a diagonal. So going to the lower time frames, I've been working with the theory that we had a 3-wave move down, a 3-wave move up, and then a 5-wave move down. That would have been the end of a correction. But then we had another corrective wave, which then made me to think we would be in a double 3. So what a double 3 is that we'll have a 3-wave move here, a 3-wave move here, and then a connecting wave, and then another 3-wave move here. So we had a 5-wave move down, and I anticipated a 3-wave move up and a 5-wave move down. So I saw a 3-wave move here labeled ABC, and then a 5-wave move down. And so I began to think that we could have ended in a truncation, or that we were still working for a 3-wave move up. So that would have been an A, B, and a C, and then would come down. But then that was invalidated the moment we broke above this high here. So now we are having a strong push to the upside, meaning that it could be that this is the truncated end of the correction, and then we've had a wave 1 and a wave 2, and now we are going for a wave 3. There's also the possibility that this could be an a B, and then we're looking for a C wave in a much larger larger correction. So that would be, if that is the case, if this is in fact an ABC, then it means we're going with the pink count, and that we are having a broader correction that will probably bring us maybe down to anywhere in this level. So but currently there isn't really much to do, so the updates are going to be a bit boring now because we're no longer trying to find out what kind of correction we're having. So now we're just trying to count an impulse move to the upside. So on the impulse side, I've counted 1, 2, and this is going to be a 3, and I'm expecting a 4 and then a 5. But then there are also multiple 1, 2s. So this was the first one. This was the first wave that I identified. It was a 1, a 2. Let me draw that. Was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we had a 3-wave pullback. So for me, this is a 1 and then a 2. So this is a protected low for me. And then we have this as well as another 1, 2. Then we have this as well. We have this as well. So I have a couple 1, 2s on the chart. I've seen people who have counted this entire move as a 1, 2. I might say it's wrong, but at the end of the day, if this is a wave 2 for them, it's also a wave 2 for me. But I would like if they also considered this as a 1, 2, because this was the original 5-wave move here. But we'll just have to see. Some of my 1, 2s may not be properly labeled at this point in time. But if they are properly labeled, then I am expecting at least 1, 2, 3, 4. Expecting at least 4 of these similar squares to the upside. So we had the first one, this is the second one, and then we'll keep looking for more. I'm expecting price to retrace into this level, and then we'll go higher from there. So like I said, the updates are going to be a bit boring now. There's not much to consider. We're just looking at 3, 4, 5s playing out now, and this is the easy part. So when we reach maybe or the fourth the third or fourth square, I'll probably begin to look for signs of reversal to see whether this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, or whether it's going to be an ABC. So when that happens, then I'll have more direction. But for now, it's just to ride the trend, I guess, just move with the trend. So yeah, I was able to at least place one trade. My second trade was placed somewhere around here, and my stop loss was here, so I was stopped out, but my second trade survived. And yeah, so we just have to wait, see manage the existing trade. I have certain levels that I would close my trade if price goes below those points. This is one of those levels. As price begins to come down, those levels, the number of those levels will increase, and yeah, just taking measures to protect my potential profits at least. We'll soon be breaking above this high here, so I think that might be a break of structure for people who do ICT or SMC. But yeah, we'll just keep watching to see what happens. Just keep watching, make sure that the current working theory is actually the proper one. So again, just to recap, we have the first one being a 1, 2, and then working for a third wave, and then the second being an A, B, and then this is a C that is going to be a 5 wave move. So yeah, that's it for now.